Hello guys, and welcome to another video. And we were driving down this road, and it was this side, and I saw a wheel trim here, and we couldn't stop because, you know, there's literally no like stop areas. So I went back with my bike, and literally I could right, look, it's this fucking hurricane again. I left that one, I left the exact one just down the road, and how the hell did it get up here? It's this bent one, remember? What the hell? I have no idea how this got here. Like, you know, it's completely gone. It's made in 2014. But yeah, I'm still gonna leave it. Oh, I nearly went down there. But yeah, that is it. So yeah, thanks for watching, bye.